Welcome back to another edition of On Today's Wrist. The first GMT Master was released in 1955, a collaboration between Rolex and Pan American Airways. They were issued to pilots when traveling through multiple time zones, and since then, it's become one of the most iconic Rolexes. Here we have the long-awaited Rolex GMT-Master II in oyster steel, released in Baselworld 2018, reference 126710 BLRO. The case is 40 millimeters in diameter, case height just under 12 millimeters, is 47 millimeters lug to lug, and has a lug width of 20 millimeters. The triplock screw-down crown and case back provides a waterproofness of 100 meters. It has a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with a cyclops lens over the date at 3 o'clock. The bidirectional rotatable bezel features a 24-hour graduated Cerachrome insert in red and blue ceramic, representing daylight and nighttime hours. This Rolex color combination has been referred to as the Pepsi. The black dial is decorated with 18-karat white gold hour markers and hands and an independent second time zone hand, all finished with long-lasting blue chromolite luminescence. It's powered by the new generation in-house caliber 3285 self-winding mechanical movement, with 10 Rolex patents including the paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, Paraflex shock absorbers, a chrono-G escapement, and now with a power reserve of 70 hours, delivering an even more efficient and dependable Rolex. It's fitted on a brushed and polished 5-link oyster steel Jubilee bracelet with a folding oyster lock safety clasp and EasyLink 5mm comfort extension. The GMT Master II allows you to read multiple time zones, a local time, a reference time, and a third time zone by using the rotatable bezel. It is the ultimate traveler's watch, and for the first time, available in stainless steel with a 2-color ceramic bezel and Jubilee bracelet. Luxurious, iconic, and functional. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and tutorials. And as always, shop at DavidSW.com for trusted online watch sales.